Hello everybody, who fancies a microwave meal? That's what I'm going to do. Everything I got is from Iceland. I'm going to put it all together and make a little cheap meal. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to do some mashed potato with fish steaks in a butter sauce and some veg, some microwavable veg. Nice and simple. Bit of mash. I'm going to do the mash first. And then I'm going to do the fish, and then I'm going to do the what they're called, vegetables last. So then while the mash is sitting and the fish is sitting, they only take a couple of minutes. I've already had a look. And then when you pour that onto the mash, it'll warm it back up with the sauce, won't it? That's my plan anyway. Now there's only me in the house who likes fish, so and that is going to have some popcorn scampi bites from Morrison's, which I bought last week or whenever it was. White fish and scampi in a breadcrumb. That was only £1 they were. We haven't had them from there before, so I thought, well, I'll get some. And she's going to have them. And I'm going to have a microwave dinner. So, with the mash, I'll leave the nutrition on, because everything's a bit small. It might be, I don't know if you'll be able to see it actually. Let me see. If you can't see it, I'll leave a picture. I'll get it offline and I'll leave a picture of all the nutrition and that. So there's the mash, 125 that was, 700 gram. And I didn't know, I have done a review of that on my channel before and it's quite nice. But I'm sure it's be like 900 gram and only £1 or something, but it same as everything in it. Some birdseye steamed veg. Nice and simple in the microwave. 800 watt, which is mine is, 3 minutes. Job's a good one. And fish steaks in a creamy butter sauce. I wanted one parsley sauce, but I couldn't get it. But so this will do. Young's. I looked at the reviews on this online. It's not the best, is it? But some people liked it. I haven't had this for years. It's pollock, I think. I read it somewhere. I don't know where it is now. I'm doing this in the microwave. I say all in the microwave. You can do this on the hob, but if you're doing a microwave meal, you might as well do a microwave meal, mightn't you? There's all the nutrition. I don't know if you can see it properly. If you can't, as I say, I'll leave a screenshot, see if I can get it offline or something. Anyway, let's start. First things first, we're going to get the mash into a bowl. Now this mash is good if you well, you got half rice or something in it. You know, if you can't mash properly or whatever. I don't know if you've seen it before. There it is. It is quite good actually. A bit of milk in there and a bit of cream. After 3 minutes, I don't know how much to put in. I just put a couple of handfuls in. It's only for me. After about 3 minutes, put a couple of tablespoons of milk in. And I'm going to stick a little knob of butter in as well. And then that a cook through, and then we can mash it together. Then I'll just wrap it in some foil while we do the fish. So into the microwave with that. Now I'm going to get the popcorn scampi bites into the air fryer. I've got the air fryer warming up. I'll cut these open, we'll have a quick look. I'll show you the back of these. I can't remember what I did. Let me see if I can show you. If you can see that. So for £1, I think they're going to be worth it for £1, aren't they? You know. I mean, to get in there, you get quite a few. Look, there's quite a few in there. I don't know if you can see properly. I'll get the air fry basket. We will get them in. These ain't going to take long in the air fry, are they? Probably get a few down these holes, look. Spread them out a bit. I reckon these probably only take, how long did I take in the oven, these? 13 minutes, so they ain't going to take long in the air fryer. We'll get them in. Maybe about 10 minutes and all. Right, we will get the fish open while the others are doing, just so I can show you. 100% fillet. Yeah, I think it's pollock, I think. Yeah, pollock, I don't know if you can see that properly. Oh, that one's done. In the microwave, it's been out 3 minutes. Let's get one of these out. So there's 4 of these. There it is. And there's the butter sauce. Well, there's the mash. Obviously it's not done yet. I'm going to put a little bit of milk in now. I'm just going to apply it by here. Couple I think. And I'm going to salt and pepper it towards the end. That's what I'm going to do. Back in with that. Back to the fish. Couple of holes. That's ready to go in. And the steamed veg. Open them and show you. So you can all do your own, can't you? Make your own, but this is about convenience, isn't it? There they are, look. Slide down. Hold here when cooked. You don't burn yourself. There's the mash, which I'm going to mash up now. I'm just going to get my fish in while I mash that up. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in there. Well, I've only got marge, that's what I'm using. Get in. Nice simple bit of food if you struggle to cook, if you've got, you know, arthritis, as I said, or anything like that. Give it a mash. A bit of butter. Salt and pepper. It's nice and simple. I know they do the cathedral and all that one, don't they? But this one's the cheaper version, so. And once that fish goes on there with that hot sauce, you'll be okay. That's done. I'll cover it up. Keep it warm. And the scampi bite seems done. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. There they are, look. They smell delicious. Well, I've set that up. I just got that one of these, 75p. I'm just going to check my fish, think we're bubbling over. It's okay. I'm going to get a salad on. She can have it all, whatever she wants. There's loads of salad there, isn't there? And she likes this, a little drizzle. Lovely stuff this is. Put a bit of that on. She can mix it in herself. And there's the scampi bites. Quite nice. And she won't eat all that, but it's there if she wants it, innit? A bit of salad, a bit of scampi bites. That's nuts. Nah. Fish is done. Now she's got to sit for a minute now while we get these in for a couple. Bit of a weird video, but, you know, as you do sometimes. Throw a few things together and get them in the microwave and eat them. That looks quite nice actually. There's loads of stuff. You ain't eating all that salad, are you, Bab? You ain't eating all that salad, are you?
No. I probably, I don't know.
You might do, though, yeah. She's a bit hungry. Some fish. Smell the fish. Okay, guys, there we go. There's the mash. Still warm. Peas. Get this cut open. Peas and carrots and sweet corn. Works out about 50p a bag then, I think. Loads of veg there, look. No point using another bowl, is that? I might as well use the same one. And the fish and butter sauce. Kids had this when I was kids. God, and they used to absolutely love it, didn't they, Bab? Yeah. They really did. There we go. Nice and simple dinner, innit? Right, let's taste it. So, yes, the mashed potato here is mash in it, so it's fine. The fish isn't the best. But you got the peas and the carrots and everything as well, haven't you? But for the price, that fish was £3.50 for 4, which is quite expensive now, isn't it? I remember we used to buy it like £1, weren't it? But they got that fish, same youngs, up Tesco for £6, and that's from Aldi, Iceland, for £3.50. Just to show you, doesn't it? Absolutely just to show you.
That's bad.
Yeah, it's bad, isn't it, that? Let me get a closer look. For a simple food, especially if you're struggling and you live on your own, that'd cost you what? I think it's about £3.50, £2 for the veg. Individual packs, that's £3.50, £5.50, £6.75. Now that'd do if you lived on your own for 4 meals, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
For £6.75, if you lived on your own and you're really struggling, wouldn't it? I'm going to eat a bit now. I'm going to put a bit of salt and more salt and pepper on there. We want a bit of pepper on there, don't we? I'm going to have a go with this mash with this buttery cream. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, thank you. Them fishes used to be bigger than that.
They used to be bigger as well, didn't they? They did, yeah.
Taller.
Yeah, they used to be like that, didn't
Yeah.
they? Because they used to just about fit in a saucepan, didn't they?
Yeah.
We used them in a saucepan, didn't we? We used to just about do.
I used to get really good flakes off it. Yeah, the sauce has gone down.
That sauce isn't bad, you know. That butter sauce isn't bad at all. Yeah. I mean, the veg is the veg, isn't it? So. Yeah. Perfectly fine. Nice for the fish. Try it on its own first. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. You got the flavours, you got the taste. Not the best fish, but for the price, what do you expect? You know, a bit of all together. For a nice cheap meal. I'm well happy with that. I am well happy. No. And what does that think of hers? Is it really not? Obviously, it's just one of them packet salads. I'm getting my words out today. What are they like? Can I pinch one? Can I try one? Can I have that big one? Oh! I only dropped my camera.
Yeah, very nice.
They're nice.
I love scampi.
For £1, they're good enough for £1. Obviously, it's not proper. It's white fish as well with it. Yeah, £1. £1 they are from Morrison's, and they're well worth it for £1. That was last week, I think. When you were there last week. So whether they've gone up or now since then, I don't know. But there was £1. That there, I'm really enjoying it, which I'm going to eat now. You can always have 2 fish with it, couldn't you? And have it for 2 meals. I mean, there's loads of potatoes left. I've just put, what, a couple of handfuls in. That'll last you probably 3 meals itself. So there we go. All in all, cheap microwave meal. That's a big thumbs up from me. Like thumbs up from you, them scampis. Yeah, got a mouthful. Yeah, so got a thumbs up. Lettuce is salad's the salad, ain't it? That's just saved me doing it. I just bought that. Being lazy. Oh, and I've also bought a new book. I'm going to start this probably next week sometime. It's somebody not YouTube, on Facebook. It's called I can't remember what the actual channel's called now. Feed the Family for £20 or something. But that was a couple of years ago. You know, you wouldn't do that now. But I got a few books. So I bought that. Lorna Cooper. One of her books. It's £16 on Amazon. But a big sale on for, I think it's £5.95 or something. So I got one for the £5.95. There's quite a lot of recipes in there. It's massive. It's quite a thick book. So I thought we'll try a few of the recipes and see how they come out. This one's Feed Your Family, more more from less. So less ingredients and more you get. How to make 4 meals out of 1 main ingredient. So it'll be quite interesting, won't it, that? But we'll have a look at that when I do it next week sometime. And anyway, as I say, I'm the old food guy. Yeah, it's on Amazon. I just want to let you know. When I start it, I'll put a link to her channel so you can go and have a review yourself and see what's what. I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Nice cheap meal. See you later. Bye-bye. Nice. Gonna swap. You're not having this. You're not having this, girl. Huh?
I don't want that.
Why? This lovely.
I wouldn't even eat that if you paid me.